Hi there, everyone out in Shopkins Math Land. Welcome to episode 3 of Shopkins Math. What is half? That's what we're going to figure out today. I'm joined by 8 of my very good friends, including Pop Rock. Hey, my name's Pop Rock. Woo, check me out. Ow. Okay, calm down. Calm down, dude. All right. Half. What is half? Well, half is when we have two equal parts of something. Two parts of something that are exactly the same. Let's think about money, for example. You all love money, don't you? Well, if you don't yet, you will pretty soon. You can buy things with money like Taco Terry. Woo! You could buy me with that money. Okay, I got Mr. Big Bucks here. He's worth 50, and I'm going to split it in half with my little sister. Okay, sis, there's your half, and there's my half. Is that fair? Well, I think it's fair because I get the big half, but we're talking about the half must be the same. Okay? So those halves are not the same. Sometimes we like to share food, or sometimes we don't like to share food, but we have to. Mom tells us to. So look at this. Yummy chocolate chip protein bar. And I'm going to split that with my mom. Oh, okay, there you go, Mom. And I'll take this one. Is that half? No, it's not half. Those aren't the same. Look at that. That's not half. Oh, well, get those crumbs off of there. Okay. Well, let's figure out what is half. Look at this thing. If I call this piece of paper the whole thing, and if I can magically tear it right down the middle, and the pieces fit exactly on top of each other, those are halves. This is a half, and that is a half. Now that word half, that's a funny looking word, isn't it? H-A-L-F. And if you're working on learning how to read, you might sound that out and you'd go, ah, oh. And then you'd put those sounds together and it would sound like this. Alf, half. And that's not right, is it? I've been saying half. So you have to pretend like it's just H-A blank F, because we say half. That's how we say it. Pretend like the L is not there. That's how we say half. Well, now let's talk about sharing some more. Okay, I've got my little friends here. Yep, I've got Crispy Cracker. I've got Susie Sushi. Hey, I was upside down. That hurt. I've got Humpty Dumpling. Are you kidding me? Thanks for joining us today, Humpty. Here we go. Let's say I have two of my tasty friends here. Toasty Bread and Pop Rock. Now, if I wanted to share equally, and I gave you half, that would look like that, because I have one there and one there. So this is half, and this is half. I split them in half. Now when I put them back together, 1 and 1 makes 2, right? I have 2, and when I take half of 2, I get 1. Okay? So 1 and 1 makes 2. But what we're learning today is when I start with something big and cut it in half, I should have 2 equal pieces. Okay. Let's do another one. Let's say I have 4 of my little friends here. Hey, thanks to my daughter, LB, for letting me use these. Thank you, LB. Woo woo. Thank you for letting me borrow your Shopkins. Okay, how many Shopkins do I have right now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's split them in half. I want to give half to LB and half to me. Is that right? No. Is that half? No, you can tell they're not half because they don't have the same number. But if I give her 2 and if I keep 2, that is half. She has half and I have half. So half of 4, half of 4 is what? 2. Right. Yee-hee. All right. Toasty Bread says, hey, you got that right. Half of 4 is 2. See, there's 4. And cut them in half. Woo! 2 and 2. Those are equal. Let's do one more. All right, everybody in. Everybody in on this one. It's the big finish. It's the big finish. Whoo! Okay. How many Shopkins do we have now? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's split them in half, okay? Let's share. What is half of 8? Woo! Hey, that looks like we have them split in half. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 down there. So now we have 4 and 4, and that makes 8. That is half. 4 is half of 8. We could also say half of 4 is, whoopsie, half of 8 is 4. Sweet. All right. That looks like it. Put my title screen back up here. And all of our friends that helped us with today's lesson about what is half. We're going to have half of them say goodbye, and the other half are going to say see you next time. This half says goodbye. See you next time. Woo! Thank you for watching episode 3 of Shopkins Math. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.